Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from a MOTOROLA Moto E6i to an Android device. Firstly, go into Play Store on both and download completely free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, do exactly the same on both devices. Begin by tapping on I agree at the top. Then select Confirm, Continue, and Allow. Now on the second one, I agree, Confirm, Continue, Allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to. To close it, hit OK. Then tap on Close in white pop-up at the top and select Send at the bottom left corner of Motorola. When you're ready, click on Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on your Android, tap on one of those options to decide if you wish to personalize your ad experience. You can tap on Yes, I agree or No, thanks. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, tap on Close this window and then go back to Motorola. You can use all of those categories available at the top to pick all of your files that you wish to transfer. When you finished, just hit Send next to select it. I will go with those two pictures. Now hit Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and choose one of those connection ways. In order to connect by scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide on an Android. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and simply point your Android's camera at the code. If you wish to input this key, tap on Input Key section instead and then type in all of those numbers in correct order. Lastly, hit Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my photos were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!